Welcome to my channel. Everyone, welcome back to my channel, Subi 7 Slots Plus. We're at the Atlantis in Reno. We're playing the Huff N More Puff. The major's 1900. That's pretty good, and the grand is 12,000. You need 3 saws or 6 of the hard hats for the bonus round, and the wolf is wild. So wish me luck. Here we go. I told you I thought it was going really slow. I just think that's the nature of the beast.
The way that machine works.
You got to drink almost all the water. Oh yeah. We love you.
Yeah, can I get a chance?
Look at you, got a bonus already. It's his birthday, so.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Turn 21 today. Oh my goodness.
He wishes, huh?
Right?
I wish I could go back there.
Aww. Have a happy life now.
You what?
She have a happy life now. What? Alright, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
videos when I'm going to sleep.
Okay.
How you doing?
It's the same thing.
I do.
How you doing?
We're all right. We're holding our own.
Yeah, we'll go
Tough
for it.
machine. Who are you?
I'm her son.
Okay.
He manages the back end of it. All the.
It's good to have a son. And I tell you, I got one. I got one of those. And I wouldn't know what else I got for. Oh, you're quadruple blessed.
No, thank you.
Yeah, I was blessed once. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Take care.
You
Good
too.
luck.
Good luck to you too.
That's the way to do it, Mom.
Sounded like it should be something, huh?
Yeah.
I keep getting 4 hats.
do that. Showing your age.
I am showing my age. I'm
do
tired
that.
tonight. What?
I got $5.
Ah. He's just taking all my money.
Is it?
Yeah.
Or lower your bet.
I'm only betting 5.
Lower your bet.
Alright. I go 5. And 250.
For now, until it starts giving you something back.
Not 5 that time. Oh, 2. Oh, look at that. I needed one more.
Oh, man.
Oh, I need that there. Probably because I'm so tired. I've heard that somewhere else.
Or maybe have a vodka Red Bull. That'll wake you up.
Oh no, that'll keep me up all night.
Isn't that what you want?
It's almost 9 o'clock anyway.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot. We're old, aren't we? We're elderly fellers. Back in our day, happy every day. Go to bed at 8 o'clock and get up at 4 a.m.
We got 2 more days here, so we can go up and go take a nap. I got the piggies. 15 bucks. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. You can do it. That's a good one. I got the coin show.
$90 or $45.
Haven't had water.
At all.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's toast. Get the grand.
Grand.
If I want a couple, then I might not want to go to bed so soon. You know what I mean?
Needs to happen already then.
I got two of those.
The pooch pooches. Wild pooch pooches.
Had one right there.
Yeah.
At least we got a cocktail, right?
Yeah. Not waiting 18 and a half years. Take care of it.
Had that third one up in the corner.
What's up?
Had the third one up there in the corner.
Go, go, go.
Oh, that was ugly, huh? Three more, two more.
Bonk.
That was an accident. Bonk again.
That was an accident.
Accident. I did it again.
Bonk.
There we go.
Took 1869.
It wanted to get there, right?
Alright, you ready?
So we finally got some that we saw, so let's see what we can do.
On $69.
So give me, no, do not give me the mini. 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 I got this song.
Alright. It says Bob. Not bad. No.
Free trigger.
Three hats.
Free trigger.
Three hats. Give her three, not one, three. We're not done.
Give me three right here. Nothing. Oh my God. Nothing. I want to punch it in the face.
Yeah.
It didn't give me but two more. Really? I know. I think it gave me one more, huh?
Because you had all straws.
Arithmetic. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. That concludes our session. If you like what you saw, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe.